Here I'm going to introduce how to use variable and the if statement. So first, let's see here, variable. So in the variable, the first things we create a variable. And the purpose here I'm going to show you is let's input a variable and then according the input value and we set that to the variable and then we use the if statement to determine is this is the good input value or not. Okay, so first let's say, hey, I want to have a variable called step. How many steps, right? And I want to have another variable like a degree. Okay, now I have a step and degree. Then let's say event first, right? And then we need to have input, and the input will ask the question, how many steps, right? And then after you do this, right, the data would be saved here. But because we are going to ask more than one input, so we need to find a way to save the data that currently saved in the answer. How to do that? So the way that we did that is we save the data, and let's say that is step, right? And then let's move to the sense here. And we put the data into the step. So now the step have what is the user input. And then we will have an if statement because we want to tell what is the value. And if will come out with a condition. And let's say that we don't want if the step is more than 200, right? Then we say, hey, this value is too big. How we can do that? We can drop the step here, and then we say, hey, it's too big. Too many. Okay, let's run, see what happens. How many steps? We said 1, 2, 3. It says 2. It didn't do anything. See the step and answer was 1, 2, 3. And then let's run again. And let's say input 300. So it's now you say too many. Right, it run into this if. Yeah. And we can do the similar thing. Duplicate here. We say degree. And then we need to set this to the degree. And if the degree is more than 180, then we say too much. Okay. And one thing we need to do here is when we reach here it's too many, then we don't want to continue. And here the same thing. And if things go very smoothly come here, then we say something so we know everything is go smoothly. And we say great. Right. Okay. So let's do it. Run it. See what happens. How many steps? 120. You see, step it become 120. Degree 90. And you see the degree 90 and the 90 also in the degree. And in the end he said great. Right? That's how we did it. Okay, thank you.